Hello, this is Chris of Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2025, and behind me, newly arrived, is the brand new, all new, 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2470 BH travel trailer. We're gonna show on the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. Just came in, getting it all opened up. For those of you who know Grand Design and go back a few years, they had a 2400 BH travel trailer that they discontinued. Well, by popular demand, roughly the same layout with a few tweaks is available once again. This coach is about 6,400 pounds dry, all aluminum frame, fiberglass exterior, heated holding tanks. As you can see, the big LED lit power awning comes out about 8 feet. They've obviously changed graphics. One thing that they have done as well is they've done a drop frame here. So they drop the frame like on a fifth wheel to give you a full flush pass-through storage, having that ridge right there. So tons of storage here. There you can see the welded aluminum frame. Same stuff as in the wall here with block foam insulation. Obviously on this coach you've got 2 doors. We're going to cut around this way first. Oh, before I forget, right there's a built-in PVC pipe for the sewer hose, since there's not a bumper on the back. Beautiful front fiberglass cap there with LED lights in case you get lost at the campground. We have a rock guard here. Power tongue jack, 2 20-pound tanks that we fill. We also include a brand new deep cycle battery in a box right there. Orientations included. We are family owned here for 70 years. All of those things are included. Also freight, prep, all included. No hidden fees, no corporate games. Hookup center is going to be right here. Outside shower, battery disconnect, solar disconnect, water hookup. This unit is equipped with a 200-watt solar panel right up there. It'll trickle charge the battery. This does have the 12-volt fridge. Sorry, we're a little tight in here. I'll squeeze through. Got a discharge there. You do have stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. If you don't want to use the hand crank, you can certainly grab a 3/4 inch socket, cordless drill, and zip them down in no time. Full walk-on roof. Furrion backup camera prepped right there. Tankless water heater. You do have an outside cold water spray port right here in case you want to clean off the little griddle that comes with this. Obviously, a little 110 apartment size fridge. If you don't like this and you have your favorite Coleman or Blackstone grill, you can always bring that along and tie that into the LP Quick Connect right underneath. Fold away entry handles on both doors. Those are priceless. Fold up aluminum steps here. Let's go take a walk inside. All new redesigned in here as well. Got a new look to the floor. Now we're gonna have solid surface countertops. Look at this too. Look at it, we got a cell phone charger right there. Perfect. You might not be able to see, but for those of you who know the true Imagine series, it does have an arched roof here. You've got the LED light strips. C-shaped dinette. You can have storage underneath. This is going to be a freestanding table, so you can use it out underneath the awning if you want. But what else is unique is that if you didn't know, once you move this, those cushions can be taken off. That's a movable ottoman right there. You can take those cushions off, move that out there. There is storage in there, and you can just have a 4-person dinette if you don't want the C-shape. Back up once again, show you the TV, ducted air, ducted heat, pull out drawers, nice and deep too. Oven, range, microwave. Do actually have a solid surface counter extension as well. They didn't go cheap on that. You got the roll-up sink cover, little sprayer here. Got the blackout shades for all the windows. 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. And as in all Grand Designs, you have a true 60 by 80 queen bed. You've got hers and hers closets with a little bit more up top there. It is prepped for a second AC if you want to drop one in. You're going to have some storage underneath here as well. Got a couple stools that you can put over there if you'd like for extra seating. If you have guests. Of course, pocket door to close off this area and your own separate escape from the bedroom. And there's a TV backer up there if you want to add a bedroom TV. wired right to the TV antenna. Just looking back towards this way again. Once again, nice kitchen nook right across from the dinette. Oversized bunks for kids or guests. You do have a couple of nice drawers here. And if you got some bigger stuff, bikes or things you want to bring with, this flips up to bring those in as you're going down the road. All one bath, not plastic, but porcelain toilet. Storage for some linens there. Got your sink, little medicine cabinet. You can wave to your neighbors at the campground if you want to. It does have the skylight and the big shower, which I'll show you. Makes a big difference. I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with you, but as you can see, even I could get clean in here. Plenty of room to get dried off or changed there as well. Another neat part about the Imagine series is the vents for the furnace are not in the floor. You're not going to drop crumbs in them or dirt. You're not going to walk or step on them in the middle of the night and scream. They're all on the sides, out of the way. Just a great, shorter, 29 feet total end-to-end, half-ton towable bunkhouse for you and your family. Once again, this is Chris Yost here at Billion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here 24 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We take trades. This unit's here. It's available. We ordered it last year, so we got it now, so we're saving you some money. Feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.